How to turn on notification on PayPal. Are you guys facing issue to turn on notifications on PayPal application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open PayPal on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section where you can see multiple options over here. Scroll down, click on Notification Preferences. After you click on it, you just need to toggle all the options in order to get your notification from PayPal application. Just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you'll be able to get notification from PayPal. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to turn on notification on PayPal app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding PayPal, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.